What's the difference between a criminal lawyer and a DUI lawyer? That's what I'm going to cover in this video. I'm Dan Joffe, DUI lawyer at Nextlaw. Let's get started. There are a lot of great criminal lawyers practicing today, but if you're charged with a DUI in Ontario, your best chance at winning is to hire a lawyer specializing in DUIs rather than hiring a criminal lawyer that defends all criminal charges. And that's true even if that criminal lawyer is successful in their cases. Let me explain. The way our legal system works in Ontario and Canada is that how police handle your DUI is defined by court decisions. Here's what that means. Canadians are protected from the actions of the police through the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. The Charter is effectively a to-do list for how the police must conduct themselves from the very minute the police approached you until the time they released you from custody. These rules in the Charter are complex, and these rules get tested in the courts for what they actually mean. And when a judge makes a Charter of Rights decision in a DUI case, that impacts how the police must do their job in regards to your DUI case. Because of the sheer volume of DUI cases handled in the courts in Canada, decisions are released all the time by judges. That volume creates confusion for the police. It's simply not practical for the police to keep up with every court decision. But that's not an excuse for the police. They have to follow the rules defined by these court decisions. And if they don't, it's a mistake that may result in your DUI case being withdrawn. To be a successful DUI lawyer, you have to keep up with these court decisions. Because of the high volume of cases, the only way to effectively fight DUI charges is to read these decisions daily. Now, if you're dealing with a criminal lawyer that practices all types of law, it is simply not practical to become effective in fighting DUI cases because there are only so many hours in a day. And if you are fighting all criminal charges from drugs to murder to theft, you just won't have the time to review and understand all the court decisions about DUIs and police conduct. In other words, these general criminal lawyers may not have the edge or advantage that you need to beat your DUI. Bottom line, your best chance to win a DUI charge in Ontario is to hire a lawyer specializing in DUIs because they will have all the potential arguments upon which they can fight your DUI case. Finally, if you've been charged with drunk driving, DUI, impaired driving, or refusing a breathalyzer test, your legal strategy can make the difference between winning and losing. Reach out, let's have a confidential discussion about your case. The call is free, and you can book a time by clicking on the link in the description below.